A little while ago, I went to the Peak District with the sports brand I'm signed with, Mizuno, to make the following video. It's all about how you don't necessarily need to plan your run, need to plan your route. Just get in the car, go somewhere, put your trainers on and run just for the hell of it. I hope you enjoy it.
Does it think we're
On this road here.
It thinks we're going that way, does it?
I don't know.